Okay, we're doing 4 kata. Ready? Bow, step out. Close hands. We're in a horse stance, we block. We're going to grab back to knuckle here, slide out, back fist. Block, grab, back to knuckle, back fist. I draw into a cat stance with my right foot. I do a right side kick. I step down. My left foot half moves forward. My left hand's on top. My right hand pokes. I slide in. I slide straight back this way. I'm going to poke with my left hand, poke with my right hand. I'm going to turn, block, poke. Half and forward with my left foot, block, punch. Half and forward with my right foot, block, punch. Now, if my right foot's forward, my right hand blocks. I'm going to turn, block, open, thumbs, knee in, step kick, drop, into that cat stance here. I step down here. Same thing on this side. Block, open, thumbs, knee in, step kick, draw into that cat stance. Step back, poke. Go forward with your right foot for 1, 2, 3, slide in, spin around, end it, go,